Welcome to Brilliant Info Systems. Our RTLS asset tracking solution provides real-time visibility of assets, forklifts, tools, inventory, containers, and personnel. In large facilities, teams spend valuable time searching for assets. Manual tracking leads to misplaced equipment, poor utilization, operational delays, and limited visibility. Brilliant analyzes your facility layout, asset flow, tracking accuracy, and integration needs, then selects the right technology for each application. BLE provides cost-effective area tracking for tools, equipment, and personnel. UWB delivers precise positioning for forklifts, high-value assets, work-in-progress materials, and safety zones. RFID enables automatic identification at gates, stores, entry and exit points. Asset tags communicate with gateways, anchors, and RFID readers. Brilliant's location engine processes the data and displays every asset on a live digital map. Users can instantly locate assets, monitor movement, analyze dwell time, track utilization, receive alerts, and integrate with WMS, ERP, MES, and other enterprise systems. With Brilliant RTLS, organizations reduce search time, minimize asset loss, improve utilization, increase productivity, and enhance safety. By reducing manual effort, idle time, delays, and replacement costs, Brilliant RTLS delivers measurable productivity gains and faster return on investment. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.